So I'm in the right atrium here, and I get a view of the appendage, the superior vena cava, the fossa ovalis, and the tricuspid valve. And there's my catheter tip coming up the IVC. I'm going to advance the catheter using the robotic control, remote robotic control, and I'm heading in toward the tricuspid valve and out into the RV outflow tract, as you can see. And now I'm going to pull the catheter back down. And if I wanted to, I could go over through the fossa ovalis. And I'm going to head up towards the SVC now. And there's the catheter going in the SVC. And coming back. And now I'm going to deflect the catheter up towards the appendage. And there I am up in the appendage. And now I'm coming back down. And now I've gone through the fossa ovalis here. And I'm pulling back out. And there you have it. Cath I in VR and remote robotic control.